Not so. What is going on? What is going on? Okay, we're back, and we've actually got sound now. Sky's gonna pop in a second as well. He's gonna come and chill with us for a little bit. In the meantime, what are we looking at? At the moment, pretty much nothing. I think everybody's going to be waiting for JOLTS. As soon as the JOLTS come through, then we're going to know a little bit better of what we're going to do. Bank of England had a speech. Nobody really cares. JOLTS, if it comes softer, then there is possibility for a bigger rate cut on the US dollar. And then obviously, if that happens, then we're going to probably get a big push down. And we don't really want to be in a trade until that actually happens. So if that does happen, at the end of the day, we got to look at euro is in a big range. We've got this level right here, which is up here, or we've got that level there. So it's either going to touch one of them first. So pick your poison. Pound, well, we've got this level up here. Which has been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches. Is it going to be a break, retest, continuation trade, something like that? That is also possible. There's also a really nice area of demand right down there. It's just got to be a little bit mindful that, you know, this report could move it. So if you're in any trades, the best thing to do is just probably stick it out until after 5 o'clock, until after the open. Tell me when you're ready to pop in, Sky, and I'll put you up. Alrighty. Wicked, mate. How you doing?
Doing well, man.
How's it going?
Wednesday. Ooh, I'm a little bit off.
Good or bad day so far?
I haven't touched anything yet. I'm excited for a fresh slate though. I took a short last night though. I'm plus 300 right now, so I got a little bit of buffer going into the morning, so it feels good.
Nice, bro. I bet it's nice actually just waking up and that's the session starting. And it's like a good session as well. It's not like a boring session. It's where you wake up and that's where the majority of the action is.
100%. Yeah.
Like London's
nice.
Wow.
Nice to get it all done in the morning, you know.
Yeah. So you can trade for a couple of hours and then be done. Whereas like London, you like trade through the whole session, and then you've got New York, whereas, you know, but I licked a couple of losses today on pound, both directions, which was savage. If anybody ever says, you know, there's not such thing as like a sweep, that is the definition of a sweep. Okay. Comes down, takes down that low from yesterday, and then boom, straight back up, take out Asian high as well.
Yeah.
So the only thing that I'm actually up now is my personal account. Everything else is down.
Shit, that happens.
Yeah.
Just gotta bounce back, baby.
That's it, man. Do you like the new background?
Yeah, I like it.
Looking tough, man. Looking good.
It's nice. I saw one of your rules a little while back, like your setup. You put it all together. Nice.
What was that?
You had a reel on Instagram where you was like setting up your.
Back at my place.
Yeah. Oh, that's not.
Nah, this is the office.
Ah, you got two set up.
Yeah, this is an office. I wish my place. My place it's only small, you know. It's only small. I literally have my computer in my living room. It's that small.
Yeah.
That's what you get, and you're paying ridiculous amounts of money for that in the city.
Oh yeah, you're in the city. That makes sense.
Yeah, you know, the same price, you probably get like a house and like a couple of acres in Utah, no?
Depends. You pay monthly, like a lease?
Yeah.
Utah's not cheap, bro.
Really?
No, it's getting really expensive.
Really?
Yeah, bro. Like you can find some decent houses like in the middle of nowhere, but if you want to live like in the nice areas, like in the valley or like by the ski resorts, like you're spending at least 1 million, and it can still be
Do you
pretty
know? Yeah,
small.
but okay, what do you get for 1 million over there?
Honestly, it depends on the area, but you can get a pretty good sized house for 1 million. Like you can probably get
Do you know what you
above
get here for 1 million?
probably not much in the
You
city or
you get a 2-bed apartment.
oh, yeah. See, that's what it would be like if you were to live like in Park City, like by like the ski resorts and stuff, like up in the mountains.
Yeah,
They charge like millions for like boxes, bro. It's crazy. Crazy, and it just keeps going up. Like Utah just keeps getting busier and busier because everybody's moving here from California and shit. Because California is a joke. Nobody wants to pay 50% in their taxes. It's like, yeah,
yeah,
I
that
don't
is
know how
crazy.
people live in California. It's beautiful. Don't get me wrong,
Is
but
it though? Isn't like I'm hearing a lot of stuff about Cali like these days.
it's pretty, man. The weather is like it doesn't get much better, honestly.
Why is that? Because it's not too hot, not too cold.
Year round, it's perfect. Like you can go any time of year and it's just beautiful. Like it rarely rains. Like it's
Just lots
just
of
always
fires.
yeah. But God, it's expensive, and the people there, man, they're different.
Different. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. I gotta clip that.
It's
I'm gonna send that to a friend of mine that you said people from California.
they're built
Different.
different, that's for sure. I do. There are some areas that I really like though that I could live honestly as long as I could afford it, and that would be like Newport Beach area.
Yeah.
It's like an hour and a half away from LA, so it's like not so busy, but still nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that area. The beaches are pretty nice.
Mm. Still want to get into stock trading, man. I tell you what, just looking at currencies all day is just so boring. It's like literally trade the same thing every single day, pretty much.
Have you ever traded options?
No, that's what I'm looking to get into.
Yeah.
Yeah, option trading on stocks.
Oh yeah.
Crypto's looking juicy though. Oof, Solana, yeah, baby.
My mentor will swing some calls and puts here and there. Mostly
On
mostly trade like QQQ or SPY. But goddamn, bro, I've seen him hit some crazy freaking plays, like insane.
they're it's a double-ended sword. It's like a double-ended sword because it's like
Yeah.
you can hit big
That's the thing is like
on options,
I
but
don't think I'm gonna touch options until I've taken like 6 figures in payouts. To be honest, once I have like a good amount of money from futures, then I might try it. But
yeah, the thing is with option, I don't know if the contract itself, if you size and get the contract itself to that, if it goes to zero, that's your max loss. Let's say like the contract is worth like $500 and it goes to zero. Okay, you've lost $500. But if so, you're supposed to like size it towards the contract. I don't know enough about it to be honest, but there's a really good trader that I resonate so much with, and he's an options trader. I don't remember what his name is, but everything he says, I resonate because it's the way that I trade.
yeah,
The same setups, the same way of looking at the market, the same way that if he sees a setup, he will, he's got a little bit of discretion and will like add a little bit more size. And I'm just, everything he's saying, it's like I'm speaking. I'm like, this guy knows what he's talking about. The only thing is he's in options. So I'd love to learn a little bit about what he does in his area of trading.
right. No, you should, bro. It's good money in it.
It's good. Do you know what? In trading in general, man, it's good money if you just know how to
Read the markets. Yeah, Very valuable.
It's like there's one more thing reading the markets, but it's like
Mm,
not giving it back once you make it.
That's the hard part.
That is the hard part.
100%.
Okay, we've got 3 minutes to the open. What are we looking at? That looks interesting, actually. British pound Australian.
I might try an opening range play today. They've been playing out like almost every morning, but
Can you walk me through what that is, how that looks like, what that play looks like? Could you do that?
yeah. So let me share my screen. But basically, you're just waiting for the first 15-minute candle to set.
Yeah.
So I will wait until that prints.
Hold on a second. Let me change your screen.
Yeah.
Done.
It's one big one. So I got it on the 15-minute chart. So I'll just wait for the 7:30 candle to print, and then depending on which way that goes, typically you can tell which way it's gonna go by the way it closes. Like if we close super red or super green, and then from there that'll be the direction I want to trade. And if you need a set target, if you don't know where to target, you can just draw a fib just off the 15-minute candle, and then you just target the standard deviation levels. Typically, like the 0.2 on the fib.
0.5.
Yeah.
I go for the 0.5. 0.5 deviation level is just, then it's 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. And if you've got like a 40% win rate, you're laughing.
100%. Yeah. The 0.2 to 0.5 typically have like a 96% to like as low as like a 75 to 80% chance of hitting. So the stats are really good, but you have to be quick. I feel like the hardest part is just getting a good entry on it. Just because markets can be swinging, so just being patient with it. But if you can get in at a nice area, you can definitely catch a good amount off of it. But
you're just waiting for the first 15-minute candle, wherever it goes, wherever it closes, then you're just taking the fib from the high to the low, waiting for maybe a retrace, or do you just get in straight away?
I like to wait for a break and a retest unless I'm like super set on a certain direction. But typically it's best to wait for it to at least have a wick out. I'm also going to watch YM and see how it looks off open, because it's been looking pretty good off New York session.
I think there's a really nice trade on this, to be fair. On pound Aussie dollar. That's what it looks like. Okay, so the market's just opened. Let's have a look. Okay, pound pushing up. Coming into that area. Euro struggling just a little bit. Gold's just been pushing. Didn't come down to sweep out that level this morning. S&P pushed up. Wow. Okay, now it looks like it's retracing a little bit. Interesting. Okay, so this is the play that I'm looking at now. So you're waiting to that candle to close.
Yeah, or if we can get prices come down like to buy these lows down here, I would enter down here as well. I do think we're gonna have a nice pop today for the Bulls, but we'll see.
Yeah, Euro looks like he wants to push up.
NQ's coming down. I think I might hop in with NQ instead of Nasdaq. Let's see.
That does look good. Swiss. Okay. I'm gonna get into that. Thing is, it's like no point unless it's to get into a trade right now. To be fair, it's kind of a little bit silly for me, just because JOLTS coming out in 30 minutes. It's like I either be getting out in 30 minutes or and how much volatility we're gonna get in the next 30 minutes.
Yeah, that's a fair point, for sure.
How many of your friends day trade, Sky? It's becoming a massive thing. It's really popular now.
I'd say a good handful.
Yeah.
Yeah. Seems like more and more people are trying to get into it. It's kind of why I started being more like public about it.
Yeah.
Just because I want more people to get into it, to be honest. So.
Interesting.
I'm kind of just chopping around now.
Yeah. Glad I didn't jump into that. I love watching Price. I can sit and watch Price forever.
I know. It's bad. It's crazy. I did the math, right? Just because I don't know, I'm a nerd. I wanted to see like roughly like my screen time on the charts since I started. I've got to be close to 1,000 hours already this year.
Okay, divide that by how much money you've made. What are we talking? Over minimum wage, or
I'm making. Let's see.
are we talking about slave labor?
And then recap, cell 58.
Below minimum wage.
I wonder the amount over all of the years, how much what my average would be. That'd be interesting. I definitely would say with that. So I've been trading since 2018. Yeah, and the bulk of my money I've made is in the recent 2 years.
Really?
I'm definitely still probably in the average wage, probably minimum wage, 100%. The amount of time I've spent on charts or thinking about charts.
Man. Sometimes it's hard for me to step away.
Oh, yesterday. So yesterday I was with a friend. The day before I was with a friend and we were watching a movie, and I had a trade on pound. And I just couldn't watch a movie. I was like, I had to keep on getting up because my phone wasn't with me. I just had to keep going up to the computer and turning it on and checking where it was. But she was like, "What is going on? Like, what are you doing?" Awful, man. Okay, so that first 15 minutes, we haven't had it yet.
I'd like for this to come down to like 23,300. There's a low volume node down there. And we definitely rejected the 300s previously. So we'll see. Also got point of control down there.
I reckon this is going to push up, man.
I wanted to, but I wanted to give me an entry.
Would you not look at it now, being in that like low volume node right now, as an entry?
I wouldn't like to enter right here because we still got, let's see. Yeah, another 100 points below to where I think it could drop to where like that red line is.
Why is that? Because it's a point of control.
Yeah, and this is London, and typically
Yeah.
we like to sweep out Asia or London, so
Yeah,
I like to wait and see if we do that first.
interesting.
Typically that can make for a good longs though, like right after we, because I'll notice New York will do that, bro. It'll sweep down and take out Asia and then just rip. It's like
Yeah, that's true.
watch and see how it reacts. Bookmap's looking pretty red though, like it wants to come down.
Okay, pound. Yeah, everything's holding. Yeah, everything's holding. Is there a futures firm that doesn't have a trail?
You mean like an end of day drawdown?
Yeah, like a trailing draw, like any kind of trailing drawdown. Is it just like CFD, like us? You know, it's all like static and stuff.
No, yeah, I don't think there's any that I have found that
Wow.
or the loss target or whatever max loss stays. It always follows you up until whatever the account balance it is or whatever, and then it stays. But
Yeah.
that's the hard part, is getting it, letting it follow you, and then building your profits and having that buffer. That's the hard part. But
So when you had the buffer, then you only have a daily drawdown, which is static.
it depends. Like if you're just on like a normal funded account or like an express account, right? There typically is no daily loss limit on the funded. You can blow the whole thing if you really wanted. Except if you move to live, like if you're on a live account with Top Step, they have certain rules. Like they'll set your daily loss for like, I think like 1,500, and if you hit it, it'll just lock you out for the day.
Okay, so like a pause type.
Exactly, and then they have like a risk management team, and you can reach out to them. You can have them raise it. Like once you have proven that you've taken payouts and stuff, you know. So they'll work with you, and they can raise it if you needed it. But
Interesting. Oh, look, that NAS look like it's holding.
yeah, it does, and it also looks like the Dow wants to go up.
Trade. MNQ 562.
Yeah. Okay, we got 20 minutes. 20 minutes until JOLTS, huh? This is the hardest part as well, like chilling in a live stream when there's no trading going on.
I know. Sometimes it's the way she goes. Sometimes I don't take a trade till a whole hour into the session, so
That's good. You got good patience, to be fair. You do wait. You wait a good amount.
well, sometimes I'm like mad at myself for not. I'm like, why am I getting in so early? Like, you know, why don't I wait for a good setup?
Yeah.
But that's all it is it's the patience, wanting to try and get in early.
At the end of the day, a lot of it is also dopamine regulation,
Yeah.
because a lot of it is, well, if you're tired or you're just lacking a little bit of anything like that, automatically once you get a trade, you get your dopamine spikes. Once you close that trade, you get a breakdown. It goes back down, but it goes back down under that kind of homeostasis level, and then you get a crash. So the only thing to bring you back up to feeling good is either getting into another trade, or go off and go to a festival and do something else. Do something to bring that dopamine back up. But it's quite interesting how trading actually affects the brain.
Yeah, it's wild, man. And I've noticed it a lot. Just anything that goes on in my personal life, like anything, literally anything, will affect this. And trying to really remind myself that and give myself days off when I need them, because it's not good to trade when you're in a bad headspace. It's really not.
I can count the times on my hand that I've taken a day off from trading this year. Yeah. I'm in need of a day off from trading in general. I might just take a trip somewhere for a long weekend.
You should, man. It's good for the brain.
Go and chill by the pool, eat some good food.
Don't look at the charts.
No, do you know the only thing that's open is crypto, and I don't look at crypto anymore.
Oh yeah, on the weekend, yeah.
Let's have a look at some of the old crypto coins that I used to have, man. See what they're doing.
I've been holding XRP since, oh man, like 20. Like
still
17.
Holding.
Yeah, me and my dad. 2017.
No way.
Yeah.
You're still holding XRP. That is actually crazy.
Yeah, for like, what has it been? 9 years, 8 years.
Wow, you must be up though. How much have you got?
Oh, we're up, baby. I think we got in at like, hold up, let me see. It was in the cents. I think we got in for like, literally like 15 cents.
Let's have a look at XRP chart. For some reason, I don't know if you can see my chart right now. I don't know if it's come up.
Let's see.
Or is it stuck?
Yeah, I can see yours.
Okay. Oh, that's XRP futures XR. Wow, you were down at 15 cents.
Yeah, we got in. It was like right when like Bitcoin started getting popular and shit. And
no, Sky, you're joking.
No, I'm dead ass. We got in so cheap, bro. Like dirt cheap. And my dad.
How much have you got?
I bought like a couple $1,000 worth. It's probably like, I think I have like 10 to 20,000 coin or something like that.
No way.
Yeah, my dad's got way more. I think he's got like 50,000 coin or some shit.
Yo.
Him and his business partner, and then he told me, and like my brother, he went all in on XRP because he felt like
what was the rationale behind it?
He just felt like he missed out on Bitcoin.
Sell 50.
Literally, like he thought he missed out so badly, and then.
Well, he did. We all did.
Yeah,
I didn't. To be fair, I didn't even miss out that badly on Bitcoin because I remember it down at like 3,000. I had some, but then I just traded it away like an absolute muppet.
And then he just was hearing a bunch of things about how XRP is gonna do really good or whatever. So he just jumped on the XRP train, man, and still hasn't sold. He's been holding that bitch. We got him on ledgers in our safe, just like don't touch it until it's a good time. So hopefully one day that shit flies. But I don't see myself selling anywhere near where it's at right now. If it gets up to like $10, then I might trim
Yeah.
some. But
V-Chain. Some of these coins are just absolutely dead.
I was surprised.
I remember investing in V-Chain.
Do you remember how bad Ethereum went down?
Let's have a look.
Everyone thought Ethereum was toast.
If you look at it, it's super technically, like a technical. Can't break, you had to break, retest onto, like, super technical. That's what I love about crypto. The thing is, crypto makes you feel the worst, and then it just turns around.
Right.
I also had, this was FTM at the time, but then it's Sonic now.
This is insane, though. Do you remember when Donald Trump told everybody to buy stocks and crypto back in April?
Yeah, look at BNB. Holy shit, man.
And he said, well, he tweeted literally, he's like, today's a great day to buy stock. And then the markets just rallied like an absurd amount. I think we went up like 500 points the next day on the NASDAQ. Look at this though. If you would have just bought Ethereum when he said to on April 9th, here.
It is absolutely insane, though. Look at Bitcoin.
That's a 200% return in like a couple months, bro. Crazy. Same with Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin went crazy after. That dip is just money, though. You would have got in April, dog. That's crazy. 65%. It's nuts.
It's literally just the same as gold.
You know, I was a little distracted. I might have missed the orb play, but it looks like it's playing out to the downside. So, we like retraced like about half of that body on that first 15-minute candle. And we like tapped the 8 EMA on the 15-minute. Wonder how that'll play out to the downside. Let's see. Buyers really don't want this to move down. It's a freaking tug of war for the past 45, 30 minutes. You think JOLTS is going to have a big move?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think because that expectation is going to give off potentially what the Fed might do with regards to rate cuts.
Yeah. We're supposed to find out this month, right? On the cuts? We're supposed to find out about the rate cuts this month, right?
Yeah, I think so. Uh, 14 days. 14 days.
It's coming up.
Yeah. I'm gonna put these screens on. We'll put the Dixie.
Yeah, I don't think buyers are gonna let the orb play out today. It's just pumping right back up.
Yeah.
Big old tug of war match this morning.
What other asset we'll put on Bitcoin? See what the crack is with this. On big reaction, Sky. If there's a big reaction, we've got to make it. We're clipping that. You know, I want a big whoa. You know what to do.
Desk over.
Oh my god, so much money.
Do a backflip. Break my back right here on stream. In my office. That would be funny.
Trade. MNQ. Sell 52.
I'll go grab my water. I'll be right back.
Yeah, go for it, man. Oof, what a spike on that. Look at that. Wow, mean. It's a mean candle, that. Bitcoin also breaking it. I think it's very 50-50, man. I think it is very 50-50.
Whoa, there goes the Dow.
Yeah. We still got 5 minutes.
Freaking, the Dow's dumping.
Oh, here we go. US 100 looks like it wants to push.
The orb would have played out on YM for
There
sure.
we go. Things are starting to get a little bit more interesting. Do you know who HS Tiki Toki is?
No.
No? I'll send it to you.
So, what do you like to do for fun out in Israel?
Other than going to the beach
Oh yeah.
and eating great food, nah, not that much. Raven got good techno, really good techno and trance culture.
Oh, okay. I was curious what kind of music you guys like.
Trance culture is absolutely insane over here. I miss a good little bit of dubstep though, man.
Yeah, man.
We said that last time. I do miss it.
I don't think there's very many like dubstep artists from like like the UK.
Nah, UK's drum and bass, and to be honest, now techno is really tight, like really hard in the UK.
Yeah.
But it's mostly drum and bass, and the drum and bass has just died off. It's not the same as it used to be. It's too much jump up. Like I like jump up, but it's like, especially when you got an MC on there, and the MC is like not that good. You're like, shut up, man. Let me listen to the music. But dubstep, there's something about it. It's just, I love like metal and stuff like that, like rock and metal.
Oh yeah, me too.
So rock and metal, like dubstep, I swear comes from that. Like,
yeah. Have you ever heard of Keizo?
Yeah. Wow, that's hard stuff. Yeah, hardcore, man.
See, I like how he did.
I love screamo a little bit. Yeah, a little bit of screamo.
With the dubstep.
Oh man, it is fire, isn't it? I definitely like festival culture in the US more than the UK.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've definitely never been out there, so I can't say. But from what I've heard, it seems like it's mostly like you said, trance, trap, house.
Yeah, it's a little bit scattered. It's like everybody's, it's quite an interesting crowd, to be fair.
Yeah.
The US, everybody's what are those things they got? Candy? What's it? What they plur or something?
Oh yeah, the candy bracelets.
Candy bracelets, and they do the whole plur thing. It's like everybody loves each other and stuff, and it's like it's nice, because everybody's going out with like good intention.
Everybody's super nice.
When I was in, what's Tiesto's place in Vegas?
What place?
What's Tiesto's club in Vegas?
I couldn't tell you. I haven't been to a lot of clubs. So like
we went from EDC and then we went to Tiesto's club, and the vibe was just totally different. Like people in there just really just wanted to have it off with absolutely everyone. It was awful. When you're in the whole festival vibes and stuff, everybody's like, like doing the whole hand thing, Oh, here we go. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa, Sky. Oh, you're the best clip ever. Oh, no, we're moving.
Nasdaq's
okay. Nasdaq's holding.
I might have to look at ES.
Pound dollar pushing up, dollar pushing down. Wow. Bitcoin pushing up. Yeah. I think you got a long down the Nas. What it looks like.
Mm-hmm.
Dollar pushing down. Yeah.
The news just came out.
Yep. I blatantly softer. Yeah. Yeah. More people.
Positive.
Yeah.
Nice. Should give me a better retrace here.
Well, Maybe we should start these sessions probably on the open, or like 5 or 10 minutes before the open.
Yeah.
Probably a little bit too early that we're opening them up. But wow, okay, US dollar is melting. Everything else is pushing up. Yeah. Yeah. All right, that is for us. Since it's 5 o'clock, I'm probably gonna push. So tomorrow is Thursday. We've got another guy coming on as well. Sky, you're more than welcome to come on. We're probably gonna get started probably about 5 minutes before the open because that's where most of the action is. And that's it, man.
Sounds great.
All right, mate. So let me know if you want to jump on. You've got the link and stuff. Enjoy. Let me know how your trading goes today, though. Yeah.
Yeah, likewise.
All right, man. Sound. Bye.